Hello, children. Let's learn adjectives today. An adjective tells us more about a noun or a pronoun. For example, a tall girl, a sincere boy, a loving mother. Here, tall, sincere, and loving are adjectives. They tell us more about girl, boy, and mother. An adjective tells us about the size, shape, color, nature, state, age, quantity, number, etc. of the noun it describes. An adjective usually comes before the noun it describes. For example, this is a nice place. It is an enormous animal. Riddhi is a smart girl. The adjectives nice, enormous, and smart are placed before the nouns. Sometimes an adjective may be placed after the noun as well. For example, this question is easy. That design is new. The students of class 5B are intelligent. The adjectives easy, new, and intelligent are placed after the nouns. Now let's do kinds of adjectives. Number 1. Adjective of quality. It describes the quality of a person or a thing. It answers the question, what kind of? For example, the lazy boy is sleeping. Lazy answers the question, what kind of a boy? Lazy boy. She told her a funny story. Funny answers the question, what kind of a story? Funny story. Second adjective is adjective of quantity. An adjective of quantity specifies the quantity of a thing. It answers the question, how much? Adjective of quantity mostly describes uncountable nouns. For example, give me some rice. Some answers the question, how much? How much rice? Some rice. The car gave me much trouble. She ate the whole cake. How much cake? Whole cake. Third adjective is adjective of number. An adjective of number tells how many persons or things are meant. It answers the question, how many? For example, I have 4 pens. 4 answers the question, how many pens? 4 pens. All the students were in the class. How many students? All the students. There were several birds on the branches. How many birds? Several. Many friends helped me. How many friends? Many. All, several, and many are adjectives of number. Adjective of number also answers the question, in what order? For example, my house is in the 5th lane. The second child in this row was crying. Since these adjectives show in what order a person or thing stand, they are also called ordinal adjectives. Some adjectives are used with countable as well as uncountable nouns. For example, I have some dresses. Dresses is countable noun. I have some milk. Milk is uncountable. Some is used with countable as well as uncountable nouns. Note: an adjective used with a countable noun is an adjective of number. For example, we have some pens. An adjective used with an uncountable noun is called an adjective of quantity. For example, I have some milk. There was a little juice in the mug. Juice is uncountable. There is no water in the jar. Next is demonstrative adjective. A demonstrative adjective is used to point out some persons or things. For example, these walls need to be painted. Those coconuts on the tree are going to fall. This pen is mine. This dress is better than that one. Note: this and that are used with singular nouns. These and those are used with plural nouns. Fifth adjective is possessive adjective. A possessive adjective shows possession or belonging. For example, your dresses are elegant. We went to his house. Whose house? His house. A possessive adjective answers the question whose. My, our, your, his, her, its and their are used as possessive adjectives. Next is interrogative adjective. An interrogative adjective is a word that modifies a noun by asking a question. The interrogative adjectives are what, which, and whose. For example, what question did the teacher ask? Which umbrella is yours? Whose painting has won the prize? What, which, and whose are interrogative adjectives. So, dear children, I hope you have understood adjectives. See you soon in the next video. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.